Are you saying I'm boring when you mean I'm bored? Careful, you might be calling yourself boring. Here's the difference. I'm bored means you feel bored. Nothing interesting is happening. But I'm boring means you make other people bored. Oops. So, if you want to talk about your feelings, say, I'm bored. But if you want to insult yourself, well, I'm boring. Type it correctly in the comments. I'm bored. And don't forget to follow ESC Grammar and Structure for more quick, fun English tips.
Hey everyone! Welcome to ESC Grammar and Structure, your channel, where you learn and improve your English grammar and structure.